How to save content from LinkedIn. You can save content or LinkedIn content by clicking the three dot icon on a post and selecting save to save it to your saved section. So what you need is open a LinkedIn app on your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet and that the application is updated to the latest version. Now, to begin with, if you want to locate the particular content that you wish to save, you have to first of all find it. And next, you want to tap on the three dot icon, click on the save button. Now, this way, you'll have saved the content into your bookmark section. And you could also repost it. You could also save this by reposting it. And this way, you'll be able to save content from LinkedIn. Now, other than that, you could also go ahead and, what you could do is just open up the profile, tap the three dot icon, and then you could just go ahead and click on save or share by, and then you could share it to other person as well. And this way as well, you'll be able to save content from LinkedIn. So this is the way you could save content. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.